Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a light, airy cream using only egg whites. First, carefully separate your egg whites from the yolks, ensuring absolutely no yolk gets into the whites. Even a tiny bit of fat can prevent them from whipping properly. Use a very clean, dry bowl and whisk. Egg whites at room temperature, rather than cold, will also whip up much more easily and achieve greater volume. This initial preparation is crucial for success. Once your egg whites are ready, begin whipping them on a medium speed. You'll notice them start to become foamy and opaque. As they gain volume, gradually increase your mixer's speed. Continue whipping until they reach the soft peak stage. This means when you lift the whisk, the peaks will stand up but gently curl over at the tip. This is our first key texture point. Now it's time to add the sugar, which stabilizes our cream. With the mixer still running, slowly sprinkle in granulated sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time. This gradual addition allows the sugar to dissolve properly. Continue whipping until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks. When you lift the whisk, the peaks should stand straight up without curling. The meringue will look shiny and hold its shape firmly. And there, you have it, a beautiful, creamy meringue made solely from egg whites. This light, airy creation is incredibly versatile. You can use it immediately as a delightful topping for pies or fruit, or gently fold it into other dessert components to add volume and a delicate texture. This method provides a stable, delicious, and fat-free cream alternative, perfect for many sweet applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.